Guys, ready to look at the first look of a 2025 Ford F150 Lobo. Just got it in today. I love that grill. It's got the lower block down there. Still got the plastic on it. Literally just got loaded off the truck. Super nice wheels on it. Like the hood too. It's got the nice little hood scoops in there. On the Lobo, black. Emblems, lowered ground effects kind of on the bottom, or sport balance. Black handles, black wheels. The back. This is what I really like, the dual exhaust. Comes with the tow package. Great looking truck, and this has the 5-liter V8 in it. So if you want to add a supercharger and get about 700 horsepower out of it, we can do it here. And nice rear interior, rear air, center console. Panels. Has a nice big touch screen. And it's 4-wheel drive, and nice thing too, they added the automatic 4-wheel drive on this particular model with your blind spot warning, your lane centering, all your nice safety features. So what do you guys think? Let me know in your comments. Good looking truck.